Hey there, Eden here. I'm here to teach you the ins and outs of LangGraph. LangGraph is a new package within the LangChain's ecosystem that allows us to build very sophisticated and customized agents. And I believe we're going to be seeing in the near future a lot of agents in the industry, and we can achieve a lot of complex things with agents. Basically, LangGraphs implements the idea of flow engineering, which allows us developers to define the scope which the LLM is going to be used within our agent run. Now, I know it sounds very abstract, but we're going to cover this in depth in the course. But overall, with LangGraph, we can build highly customized agents. Now, you're probably asking yourself, why do we need LangGraph? I mean, we can use LangChain to build agents, and I even show it in my other courses how to build LangChain agents, for example, the React agent. However, everything we can build with LangChain, those agents, for example, the React agent, we can build with LangGraph, and it's actually much more easier and it's much more clearer to describe those agents' behavior. So if everything in LangChain was much more abstract, within LangGraph, we're going to have a lot more flexibility and we're going to have an easier time implementing and describing those agents. You can imagine we're going to be leveraging graphs with nodes and edges. And this is the basic idea of LangGraph. And by describing an agent flow within the graph, it's going to be very easy to implement advanced logic. So just a couple of disclaimers before we begin. First of all, I have to say this is not a beginner course. So I expect my students to have solid Python understanding and solid LangChain understanding. So if you've taken my previous course on LangChain, you should be fine. So I'm sorry, but I'm not going to go over the basics. And this will allow us to move fast and dive deep and to implement a lot of cool things with LangGraph. One more thing before we begin. This course, like my other LangChain course, will have a Discord server where we can communicate and discuss advanced agents topics. So you can use the Discord server to ask questions or to discuss advanced topics, and we have a very solid community there. That's pretty much it. I hope you come in the course, and let's go build things with LangGraph.